Building a support network. Perhaps one of the most organic ways to remain stress-free is to build a support network. When you have people in your corner who are willing to help you out, it helps to stay motivated and feel positive, even when things seem rough. People all over the world know the power of other human beings being a part of their circle. It is something unrivaled. We have friends for a reason. They are here to help us stay lifted when things are difficult and to give us someone to vent to when we feel like we need a listening ear. All of us could use someone to talk to. Instead of keeping your problems to yourself all the time, open up a little bit. Don't become a chronic complainer, but be sure to nurture relationships with others that will allow you to get things off of your chest before they begin to get too overwhelming. It can also help to have several different people's perspectives on the things that you are going through. Nobody wants to face their challenges alone, and all of us have biases in our thinking that can make it feel even more impossible to cope with some challenges. We may forget that we have the strength and capability to face the things that we are struggling with, while others may have faced similar challenges and could offer insights and advice that we wouldn't normally consider ourselves. Friends and family are far more likely to see your situations in an objective light. They do not carry your burdens and biases and can see what you are dealing with in a fresh light and offer a new perspective. They may even be able to help you prepare ahead of time by reminding you of what they know to be your strengths and weaknesses, so you are armed with the best strategy to approach each situation possible. If you are nervous about opening up to others, that's okay. You should always make sure that the people you choose to support you are genuinely coming from a place of caring and support. Learn the traits of a toxic person so you don't give them information that they can use to manipulate or hurt you for their own gain. Don't be surprised if you find yourself drifting away from the people in your life who, rather than showing support, have a tendency to find ways to bring you down or turn all the attention back to themselves. A support network should consist of people who are trustworthy. It can be made up of people who share your goals and ideals. The internet can be a great way to find people with similar goals who only want to surround themselves with others who share their goals and who are confronting similar issues. You may also be able to surround yourself with people who are positive and have confidence in your abilities. People who want to see your success and who have nothing to gain from your failure. People who will not be threatened by or jealous of your success. The next step is to actually trust them enough to open up about your struggles. Let yourself be vulnerable and vent when you need to vent rather than holding it in and allowing it to cause your life more unnecessary stress. Being able to talk about our problems is a great way to get your attention off of the emotional element and begin to focus more on the possibilities of resolving the situation and finding solutions that you can be happy with.